80 million permit. Because as I saw mu ya madwe say mama maboka gu. Bo mu nim nipa no mu ni deal no. What you say? Me je permit ni bibia me ye madwuma no. Saa time na me ni ha mu ni madwuma me ye. Eti na me na ma me ye de me ka masempa. Me wo ho. Ana friends nana omo friend Dabehene. Say ye won kransa hene ene ye what Dabehene. We organize boys ni bi. Omo ebe gina me workers no so bro omo sese omo no ma nyina koye. Ghana ha emra wa hanti so obi ye obibia. Ye the police station. My police station, me case or police station, I'm a 4. Chene, my year police case, my 4. Move to say 2 cassa, never going to become a matter. Some of the women some more too. Minim the American reads out, and to what's your money no news. Please point to me, Mohammed. Ghana had a Mranya Juma. A Mranya Juma. Nakame Massa says a Mimi Trans, Adam Yalanga.
The gospel must go and the gospel is to go in trade and point and coupon now on your cashier. Sir, and every what joining my life. What joining will bet me I share at the amami. So what joining will bet me at the I share at the amami. The gospel must go and the gospel is still going. What joining you can share for me if you have just joined. You can share for me. The gospel must go and the gospel is still going. Trade and point and coupon now on your cashier. What joining will bet me. I share Eddie Amami. Share for me, share for me, share for me. The gospel must go and the gospel is still going. I just need the ideas of my listeners, my followers, my fans. Sometimes, you know, I am a man for I say, hey, Obi yo Christian na wo say. Sometimes you can push someone to the wall. The person will do something that the person is supposed not to do. The gospel must go and the gospel is still going. Trade and point and coupon share so I join. Why join you? Bet me I share the amami. The gospel must go. I need you people, your ideas. Sometimes you know, you might hear Gongon Bita has done this. Gongon Bita has done this. You see Abua wo can you breso? What you say? Abua wo. The gospel must go and the gospel is to go. Trade and point and coupon share on your cashier. I just want to discuss something with you. When you see this side, this is in Kranza, Kumasi and Kranza. This is where the gospel Gongon Bita. This is where I'm putting my house. I have enemies me fee. Now I need the ideas of these prominent people. I know I don't want to do something that it will tarnish the work that I'm doing. That is why I'm making this video. Good afternoon to you all. From Paul Mori, thank you for watching. Kofi Demfi, thank you for watching. Please, if you have just joined, you can share for me. Yeah, if you have just joined, you can share for me. The gospel must go and the gospel is still going. Apart from the wisdom, the knowledge he has given us in doing his work, and also no, because at least I'm having what do you call a family that I should take care of. I need to get a place. At the end of the day, my family will put their head together. What I say? So this is this structure that you are seeing is for the Gongon Bita for Christ. This is in Granza. Those of you who know in Granza, this is in Granza for you. I just want to discuss something with you. So I want the security officers. To hear this. I don't want to do anything that it will tarnish my image. I don't know because Gongon Bita now say. I know say you this blog what do you call bloggers. Mobeka, hey, Gongon Bita na yesu wako say Gongon Bita na. That is why I'm bringing this video out for you people to see. The gospel must go and if you have just joined, you can just share. I'm here to narrate a story to you. Hey,
Charlie, that's it. Oh, nice one.
As I see, we no more teaching me. My class, I say, I did BSME, Bia, my Yafa home, permitting, I didn't know my Bia. I will ya Jumana, we yaba. I have ball as I say, we ya Jumana, we yaba. Nam Popus, I said, ball as I said, no more calling in a way. So I say I want hearing the tone you say I didn't monche. I must stop for me workers bed right now no case the Biko hospital.
Oh.
Say am no case the Biko hospital crisis here. Why he Jimmy for be on cry oni da dan kram say block kra won to be da e be keka ntam kese wa. Minim say bia me Togo ni o say me Libya ni o. What that's all high be din ko. No ye.
Ya chere ma me.
Mati.
What e be ya bekaza.
Mati Gasbek. The gospel must go and the gospel is still going trade and point and coupon shroud. Now on your case, I just want to narrate this story to you people. The place you are seeing, this is my site. Baby, it's not easy. It has taken me years in buying this land. It has taken me years in getting this thing. Sabi. Yenye obi akohwie ewo ye ni susa asan so ewo enkola so ye ewo fie ene ade edi ti adwuma ye koyi ye ko outside Ghana ye ko village ye bibia at the end of the day na gongon bita e bia megbo akokra me ni ba bia me ni ti beto na busuafo ni ba some of you say so akwa we kra no si so ere wa mobra me twema adu de si asase a wunwi 1 plot na I'm saying hi in Kranza and a woman. I'm telling this because sometimes an incident will happen. Obia media people, radio 4, TV 4, Obia besom because they say BB she say as someone make us say gongon bita na ko say gongon bita na ko say asase amu en Kranza ma munim en Kranza am say first na baller bi wo ha na TV 4 bi betwitwa en Kranza baller hana na baller no. Ball and what baby on what blocks in LA. Ebi aguno. Eti ebra omu yi ball and floor. Asase we mami me the friend Florence. And say after this video no, me the particulars in documents in na ebe be kyeremo. Because things are getting out of hand. And normal agents samo and nutina me ankasa me ba life na me dey abetu biasa for now. Because I know say after this video, mo beti the enu kwase mote. Until I want you people to hear this. Asase no man ton free in Kranza hene ho. Me be say we asa for na nyina ti asemu. Asase we man ton free in Kranza hene ho. En Kranza hene ento asase mame. Me to free mame ba ko ye friend Florence. Tie ne tie ne pa Florence and me to free no. Na sa land we bra wani. Sa land ya mu we. Mame ne to sa land we for 20 years. Me the receipt no any no me nyina ever share na ma hwe. Receipt ni bibia mame ne to land ni na no to land no. Eti ma mo de ne nam na Kranza hene ato asase en Kranza hene to asase mame. Me to asase we na Kranza hene enyina ho. Tenete nie pa o. Mame no no to mame no to free Kranza hene ho. Eti so obi di Kranza hene ho asemba. Esen Kranza hene ato abola asase a. I'm the gongon bitter for Christ, the fairest preacher. And young Kranza hene na me to asase no. I never wanted to do this video, but I said it has pushed me to the wall. I dear binti na me yasa video we. Mute na mon channel so pa. Asase we amu no ho no. Me to free mame no ho. Me to free mame bo man to free Kranza hene ho. Na say me to wi e na ensensem bebre e ba so. Elu nti no emra kwa mu no. Wo to asase free obi ho ade mimi nie. Wo be yan krata. It is too land maye. In den chekurame. Wo be sias edan a ye fa bibi permit. Em say Kranza DC utie me. Sanso na town engineer utie me Mr. Moses. Tenete nie pa o. Me wiam do mu nyina contact betuda. Menim say me followers police for soldiers for military for you can just call to verify. Me can say na Matthias here. Asase we me raise here in ndu ba bia ba me kasika ma say no was asase we so a you be shocked. Wa ma mu dia frusani ahemfo e be gimi ho akran breaks go edi twa dan kro mu ntwa bi. Se ma te se gongon vita me dia wu osesi a ewiase nyina be te se abrante we se no te. Tenete nie pa. Matos ase no enkrata bia maye permit ye disi dan makọ asamlo me kwaje permit omo de ma me ha sika say 75,000 permit na ka Ghana ye tua permit 75,000 when beti me si dan na so insran kanya me tua me tua scan aka 500 Ghana na 80 million permit because asasu omo ya madwe say mama maboka gu bo omo nim nipa na omo ni deal no what you say
me je permit ni bibia me ye madwuma no saa time na me ni ha mu ni madwuma me ye eti na me na ma me ye de me kama sempa me wo ho ana friends nana omo friend Dabehene say ye won kransa hene ene ye Dabehene we organize boys ni bi omo be gina me workers no so bro omo sese omo no manyina koye Ghana ha emra wa hanti so obi yo bibia ye de ko police station ma ko police station mi case o police station ma ko 4 chere ma ye police case ma ko 4 mo beti se tu akasa na egongon bita me na ma to se mu de munya munim se mu otuo minim de be ye tira me bita eto woti e ma ni nya news please point me Mohammed Ghana ha emra nya djuma o emra nya djuma na ka me ma sa se mi gina sa so ada me langa me ba nanka mi shokot ena ke me ka say metro men for di me ti say there obi nim na say for metro ka ujili say Jimmy for it is something I don't blame those pastors with body guys and others. What I say there me person we are for na nyina tie nie matasa ase no man come free kwansan hene ho me to free woman ba ko no to free kwansan hene ho indenture transfer of ownership maye. What I say you say for bibi stool land my cost to land office akotua asase ye se fa bi ntokua ko ni nyina menya bibia wo so nsumitua asadie bia se me ye bia as a Ghanaian citizen who supposed to own land emra kwan bia na mafaso Edin can first attempt omo babu mi mesin for ase se omo hwibalo na sefo koy mi koye case up to now police phone can wo hwe tie ne pa o eto so mi anu me to your friends a polytank 25,000 and can it 25 million. As I'm filling with water to the brim. As somebody see Cambridge, as two that is the second one. Me say for the same police station for your case up to now. Obianya Hoshe. Tenetian ye pao. And Kransa chief Afreme. I catch them say, and I'm at Tete no quamode or Medinam Swintino. Mento me boa she when my mayor Jumano. Now on fret or more moody said Jumano. No muso mu dientia. Amo yes I don't know. It is Kranza chief me anaso oti ama wa wini me Kranza chief bia no. Wo betimi ama me fa Kranza chief number no entuda. Mi wie na me den Kranza chief number no atuda. En Kranza chief stop him adwuma we. Poly 3 weeks. Mo sha ba bia your friend say kwanda we your kwan yo. Ena me de me material. Aha mu hui. Eye main road me de me material si kwan no. Because me your emergency material na wu ha. Me de just what you call a week. Ebe sisa ni nyina fro materials na ku ha se ka bia bedu abia na ti e ban so mini midini abebo se me de enoma begu kwam ama se can't me fa enche nyame kura na esira me na September the whole of September nso ntoye enso atan kasa di we nyina ka asi munim abrosa to so for foundation unu wo mutu foundation sika mo je what I say me kan say na mati ase ayekon ayeno ayesa enede ya minimum ka say show ya sisa me tools ya be send me polytank ni nyina o police station ho ya nya ho hwe what I say no ansa na me beba no Kranza chief aka kire me say ena me no mo ye ne site nti no ma me nsi site a me ntina fie no on Fred Dabehene ene wo mo na ase say ball asase no on fro wo mo na mo ensanke obi ono mo nka say bia me de me ye innocent me bana me be madwuma obi a me ha me ti ase me Kranza chief last 3 weeks wakachem say last 3 weeks Sunday eno mu behia Kranza chief ene ne mpani fortena fie atwa Dabehene wa ama eti ewia ne Kranza chief sa frame last 3 weeks Saturday Sunday or frame so o mo ntimi ama o mo se aye bi nti Tuesday na twam another week saba man te kwa mfuru obi a ho me so be ma se me mfa me pe emeye sebe me betro obi asase so na se me bu Kranza hene nanum asem so na bia wo de mfa se masi dan na wie ida se me meti obi na so na so obi betie me na so meti me akona nanim meti me kwanti me ma dwe se na na ma me kwan ya me nya dwuma we da what you say etimi da mitifie etimi wo hwa na enye nana na frame me pacho mu ntianie nya nana na frame your friend say town engineer em say trade baby ai office no mo fra say district no twede as twede district assembly there were engineer bi wo your friend Moses Akufu Moses me pese me wie nam do mo number 2 da engineer no tan engineer no na frɛ me sɛ me meyɛ madwuma efi sɛ enkransa hena frɛ ne sɛ problem bi o bi ano atwa o ma amanto mu ni case eto mo ma me permit already metua me permit sika me ni assembly ka me ni asase ka me ni stulan ka sesi a me no ka sɛ me ba ya na me ya sɛ o mi kokrom mi ko pesika bi abrɛ workers no me ba ya no hwɛ anopa no mo mese sa mota we bra be ha de anopa no mo mese mota we Shibalo mo de yadwuma we assembly your friend say assembly mo wo kroma ni Shibalo no de afeme Shibalo amatoto ne me savu amatoto nyina no amasesa de ko we be ka say brother is the police not around. The police are around. I've called the police several times but no one is responding. Wouldn't be tell me your video me omo be sister me no mo de kwa workers no omo prebi right now me de work about the hospital say am no ka say omo premi work about ku sesi o da hospital me mo ka say me ko police station ko ye case me saba ya efia me ma ko han ya workers ni ntram sabi ade ton ba be adwuma no omo sa to boys ni we for boys no a dabehine abo mo pa no awura edam ho akwose sam mrante no fon ba ko kra Ibrahim hwe wo yem no de omo di twa ho no we ka ne ba ko nie ne fon de akwa mo hwe de omo de ye ne yem hwe so amfa yi na ma na anko ye twa ne yem o enie so kona men kasa de mi pese wi asofa na nyina tie na mu tie nie e bia beti se osofu bia ye sei evangelist bia ye sei what de ote ya nti de onwu ye hu nyame din ana nyankopon di da ofinti no wo na obi atage na sansam fu we ubeti na akodi na obi ni manim san kwasi asem odi beti dia fa fa se obofo edanchi Ghana hamra nya djuma o amra nya djuma san kamra nya djuma e kasa omo stati se omo ba yi so mi ko police station so ade awom nie krata to me krata some dey djuma bia me provide I'm having every document. DC we are aware. DC we are aware. Me the document na be tell. Town engineer we are aware. Madam Sewa inspector case we are aware. Wa mu say enkransa de sa, enkransa de sa. We are yankosi aga enkransa de sa. Enya me so. I am the gongon bita for Christ. When you see any person, Cecia me buy ya me buy juma. Ne nemu chele wate ejemi ka ba ha be kekantam. Na wa hene kura waka won. Some dey boss na me ya majuma. Some dey phone akoma busua pani. Awini na busua pani kuro na so ebo ba. Omo mu jimi no me say breaks kuro mu ntwa bi o. Kuro mu ni bi. Eno mu jimi wa ha it is all to say gongon bita say na sia me pese me update you na man tu studio chene pa o me pese me update you na be obi aka say osofo no aye say osofo na aye me ka say sia da behene no ne nkofo ba ko ntoma say sebe ya de tue no ma because omu say akwa we ni tiri afu wa chechele bi. The gospel must go and the gospel is still going. Those of you who have idea in one way or the other, because what I know is that Ghana have the right to own the land, to build the land. Tax is involved, you know, material, building permits, my engineer now by site, or my by site BBR, they for proof say I have your ball assassin, I have the town plan, ball assassin or maybe the answer. I have fit up one and never fit up one and what's your honor. So I have to account. So I'll come back near your ball assassin. A tree, I will say ball. I have fit up one and never. Will be crying and I do so see them do. I'm the foundation you cry the wall. Some more foundation you. Oh, yeah, as you can see. I did have ball assassin for BC now. But I said the no ball and it's and I have the tower won't pay. There will be a year. Not fit for I'm the fitter for ye, not fitter for land whistle. It is now, I don't know, not fitter for need in a ball and so. There's no much a ball and as you. I don't know. The gospel must go and the gospel is still going.
Mestre, after this, you know, Mestre, those of you, I know say most of you are lawyers, most of you are security officers, because all the procedure that I need to go through, I've gone through. All the procedure, I gave them that due respect, because who better know be crew. What I say, and see, so when he can be here, so we take. What I say, but it seems that they've taken my leniency to be my weakness. Maybe I'm here, yes, I'm answer, they think no, maybe I cannot do anything. Say, I'm going to say, I'm going to be every baby or baby, or my friend or the hospital. And you fit a friend and one or more Jane and came back on Mokunatua. So this is what I want the whole world to know. Aha, I am Kranza and Kranza and Mijin, man, I'm winning baby and Kranza for two mobile and Nuguno. A straw, the Via Mechanic and a straw, a Honor 2 ball and Nugu. I hear my Mibia Sassy, a friend Florence. Nasas in the one of me toss a man toss as an free Kranza chief for man toss as an free. Say, sell me no more cassette. Or he never had one bomb, ma'am, and 19 Kutupano. While back can't be a minimum santam, so funny Jimmy Franco. That's uncle some call Kakramikram in Tibida. I dear Jimmy Salmon, and I Ghana, Mocasa Ghana, a young Kranza no one Ghana. Trade up on your coupon on your cashier. So if you have any idea about this, I know most of you are you've dived deep into the law, that you know the legal rights, the procedure to go through. Me, what I know is that you buy the land. After you've acquired the land legally, you go for your building permit. After the building permit, you go and see the stool land. You pay that one too. I've done everything, but I don't know the reason why. I joined the gospel preaching chariot. I avail myself to teach and to be taught. Salvation of souls is my focus, so help me God. Shalom, peace. If you are blessed with this video, you can share for me. Bye bye.